Good morning, class. For this day, I'm your teacher for your math. So, before we start, please stand. Everyone stand. Because let's have a prayer. Okay, so Michael, you may lay the prayer. Okay, amen. So, before you sit, please pick up the pieces of paper under your chair, okay? Okay. So, we're done to pick up the pieces of paper. So, let's have a review for the topic yesterday. So, what is the topic yesterday? What is the topic yesterday? Mika, what is the topic yesterday? Oh, perfect. So, next, who can solve this problem? Integral of 6x squared minus 4x plus 5 equals dx. Aldrin. Okay, you may solve the problem. Okay, so you can solve 6x squared minus 4x plus 5 dx. Okay, perfect. So, okay, before we proceed to our discussion for our topic for today, I will show you different types of picture, which is the shape. You can find out if they are equal or not, okay? So, first, what is this shape? Is this circle, right? Okay, it's circle. So, they are equal or not? Students, they are equal or not? Okay, perfect. They are equal. So, next, what is this shape? Is this triangle? They are equal or not? Okay, perfect. They are not equal because the right side is small and the left side is big. So this is the square shape, triangle shape. So next, what is this shape? Is this square shape? They are equal or not? Yeah, they are equal. Perfect. So next, students, what is this shape? This is circle. They are equal or not? Okay, they are not equal because the right side is small and the left side is big. Yeah. Next, what is this shape? Is this triangle shape? They are equal or not? Yeah, they are equal. Perfect. So, last shape. What is this shape? This is the square shape. They are equal or not? Yes, they are not equal because the right side is the small and the left side is big. Okay. So, next is we will discuss the mathematical induction. So, class, what is mathematical induction? So, first, mathematical induction is a mathematical technique which is used to prove a statement, a formula, or a theorem is true for every natural number. So, the technique involves two steps to prove a statement as stated below. So, mathematical induction is, they have a step. So, mathematical induction is proving, so if the left side, they have two problems. So you need to compare the left side and the right side if they are equal or not. So which is, they have a step. So which is the base step. So first step one is base step. It proves that the statement is true for the initial value. So you need to prove first the base steps, which is the term. The first term, second term, third term, and so on. So next is the inductive step. It proves that if the statement is true for the nth iteration or number of n, then it is also true for the n plus 1 iteration or number n plus 1. So you need to assume that k is equals to n. So next, how to do it, the mathematical induction. So first, they have two steps. First, step 1 is consider consider an initial value for which the statement is true. It is to be shown that the statement's true for n equals initial value. So, i-compare nimo ang first term sa formula na gihatag niya if they are equal or ma-prove nimo siya nga equal siya or dili sa first term. So next step 2, assume the statement is true for any value of n equals t as we said earlier. Then prove the statement is true for n equals k plus 1. We actually break equals n equals k plus 1 into two parts. One part is n equals k, which is already proved. So, muna ni siya ang step 1. And try to prove the others part. Example. So, let's have an example. So, they have a given prove 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus n equals n open parenthesis n plus 1 per 2. So, prove ni nato siya nga kini daw siya, ito siya ay equals dito. So, they are equal. So, first, may tatlong term siya which is 1, 2, 3. So, first term, you need to, this is the basis. This is the basis which is the step 1. So, you need to know that x equals 1 is in the first term. So, you need to write the 1. 1 equals 1 open parenthesis 1 plus 1 close parenthesis over 2 equals, so 1 copy the 1 plus 2 2 over 2 equals 1 times 2 2 over 2, so 2 divided by 2 equals 1. So na-prove na to siya ang first term is equal to 1 equals 1, so which is the first term. So next is 1 plus 2. So, you need to write the second term, n equals 2. So, 1 plus 2. So, equals 2, n. Substitute na to ang n niya sa second term niya, n, 2. Then, open parenthesis, 2, n niya equals to 2. So, plus 1. So, 2 over 2, which is dire. So, equals 2, copy the 2, 2 plus 1, equals 3. Then, over 2, copy ang 2, so equals 2 times 3, okay, 6. So, over 2, which is 6 divided by 2 equals 3, which is, na-prove na to siya nga 1 plus 2 equals 3, nga compare na to siya nga ang kining 2 terms is equals na po equal siya dire, which is the basis. So, next term is the 3, which is n equals 3. So, 1 plus 2, 1 plus 3, so, equals 3, n, copy na tong n kay formula niya, so open parenthesis, 3, n, 3, so, plus 1. Close parenthesis over 2, copy the 2, so, copy the 3, equals copy the 3, then 3 plus 1 equals 4, over 2. So, equals 3 times 4, equals 12, divide 2, so, equals 6. So, you need to add these 3 terms. So, 1 plus 2 equals 3. Copy the 3. 3 plus 3, 6. So, na-compare na to siya o na-prove na to siya nga ang answer niya 6. So, which is, the base is equal to this term. So, next is, we will move to inductive step, which is the step 2. So, here the induction step. So, as we see the step 2, assume that true n equals k. So, copy na to itong given ganina. So, 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus plus k. So, assume na to nga n equals k. So, n, change na to sa k equals k. Open parenthesis plus 1 close parenthesis 2. So, assume na sa nato na show that true n equals k plus 1. So, ang n na to is k plus 1. So, copy na to. 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus k. So, since ang n na to, k na to is kini siya. So, ang n na to, may mo na siyang k plus 1 kay n man na to siya. Equals and k plus 1. So, k susunod, k plus 1, additional 1. So, which is 1 na siya din. Ay mo na siyang k plus 1, plus 1, copy that 2. So, since ang kailangan na to i-prove is kining aside. So, you need to prove na kining aside is equal diri ang aside. So, since same man sila na equal sila diri so you need to copy this k plus 1 k plus 2 over 2 to here. So, which is i-change na to ni siya kining nga term, change na to siya into k open parenthesis k plus 1 close parenthesis over 2. Itungod same lang sila. So, additional plus, so don't mind the 2 here in the 2 denominator here. So, assume na to siya nga wala na siya ha. So k plus 1, so assume natin na ito ay k plus 1 only. So, equals open parenthesis k plus 1 close parenthesis plus k plus 2 over 2. K plus 1, yan na na-claim mas gigan siya dali. K plus 2 at natong 1 plus 1, 2 over 2. So, next, dali na. Since the denominator niya is 2, the denominator is 2, where the same denominator, I assume na ako dito na ang denominator dito is 2 to 2 para ma-cancel out na to siya. I know, para i-assume na to siya nga 2. So, next is k. Don't mind the denominator. You need to copy the numerator because the denominator are same. So, k copy k plus 1 plus 2 k plus 1 equals k plus 1 k plus 2. You need to in the final answer you need to distribute, combine like terms, FOIL, any method of algebra you can apply this. So first is you need to first you need to distribute the k to the inner side. So, k times k equals k squared plus k times 1 equals k. So, next is plus 2 times k equals 2k plus 2 times 1 equals 2. So, next is equals to you need to FOIL this FOIL method atong gamiton ani siya para masolve na to siya. So, k times k equals k squared. No, this is not true. I'm wrong. Wala to siyang 2 guys. So, k times k, k squared plus k times 2 equals 2k. So, next is 1 plus k equals 1k. So, which is k. So, 1 times k. So, 1 times 2 equals 2. So, this is the final answer of the induction. So, understand class? You have the question for the definition or no? Intindihan lahat? Okay. So, the solving problem to prove. Yan, naintindihan lahat. So, next, let's have activity. So, this activity class is called Mathematics Relay. So, I will group you into 6 groups. So, each group should have a representative to relay the problem. When the problem reaches the last person, she will solve it. So, the group who got the correct answer will have 20 points. So, ito guys, ang mangyayari, sa bawat grupo ay may isang tao na pupunta sa akin para ipasa yung problem sa last person. So, which is same as message relay. Okay, understand? Okay. So, here are the problem. Okay. So, ito class, lahat tayo ay same ng problem ha. Pabilisan lang tayo yung pabilisan ng message na makapasa sa first and to last person. Okay. So, here are the problem for group 1. So, you need to close that. Group 2, need to close. Group 3, close mo. Group 4, group 5, and the last, group 6. So, in a count of 3, you pass the mathematics relay. Okay? The problem relay. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, go! Okay, parang group 3 yung nauna. Okay, parang group 3 yung nauuna. Okay, bilis. Pabilisan ng solve to na makapasa sa akin. Sige, go. Oy, group 2. Humahabol. Oy, ang group 5 parang humahabol. Oy, group 6. Ano nangyari sa inyo, group 6? Okay, so group 1, humahabol rin. At sa wakas, dumating na ang group 3. Okay, group 3. First, group 3. So next is group 6. Humahabol yung group 6. Kala ko sila yung mahuli. Oy, group 2. Group 2. Group 1. Oh, nasaan ang group 5 at group 4? Okay, narito ang kanilang mga problem. So, next. So, ito yung problem nila. Tingnan natin kung kung sino yung tama. Magbe-base tayo sa correct answer at sino yung nauna at nasunod na correct answer. Okay, so Okay. Oh! Only group 5 have the correct answer. Pero pangilan sila kanina? Pang-5 din? Okay. Sila yung, sa lahat ng grupo, sila yung nakatama. So sila yung may 20 points. Okay, congratulations for group 5. So next, okay, you can back to your seat now. So next, let's have an assessment. So this assessment is 2 items only. I will dictate twice. So you need to get the 1/2 sheet of paper for these 2 items. So you need to prove same as the example that we discussed before. So, okay, are you ready? Okay, ready class? Okay. So number 1, prove 3 plus 6 plus 9 plus 12 plus 3n equals 3n over, 3 equals 3n open parentheses n plus 1 over 2. So I repeat last. Number 1, 3 plus 6 plus 9 plus 12 plus 3n equals 3n open parentheses n plus 1 close parentheses over 2. Okay, done. So number 2, 1 to the power of 3 plus 2 to the power of 3 plus 3 to the third power plus plus n cubed equals n cubed by parentheses n plus 1 squared over 4. So, I will give you 15 minutes to solve this problem. Okay. Kindly pass your paper, class. Okay, paper. Daniel, please collect the assessment paper. Okay, because we have an assignment. Okay, class, our assignment for tomorrow is do an advanced study for the next lesson tomorrow. After the discussion, we will have an oral recitation. Okay, I repeat, our assignment for tomorrow, do an advanced study for the next lesson tomorrow. After the discussion, we will have an oral recitation. Okay, gets? Okay, gets. Okay. Thank you, class, and goodbye. Have a good day.